stopped from meeting the victim's family. The Yogi government is trying to hush up the entire matter and stifle the voice of the opposition, who is trying to seek justice for the family of the victim.
You know, Anand, I know you've been tracking Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi right from when they started out today to reach Hathras. Take us through the entire chronology. What exactly happened? Because they left, then their cars were stopped, then they started marching. Take us through exactly what happened in the last 1 hour as well.
Well, let me begin from the moment they entered into the Delhi-UP border. Once they crossed the D&D Plaza, we were expecting that the police will try to reason out and stop them there and then itself. But that didn't happen. The police allowed the convoy of Rahul and Priyanka to enter UP from D&D very peacefully. So the trouble started when the convoy entered the expressway. The motorcade of Rahul and Priyanka were allowed, while the rest of the Congress workers and leaders were blocked at the Yamuna Expressway. We were also blocked in that police barricade, and then we had to walk all the way to the motorcade of Rahul and Priyanka, at least 3 kilometers on the Yamuna Expressway. They had also started walking along with few Congress workers, and when the word spread that Rahul and Priyanka Gandhi are walking on the Hathras, on the road to Hathras on the Yamuna Expressway, all the Congress workers left their vehicles at the Yamuna Expressway point entry, and they also ran towards Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi. And that brought traffic on Yamuna Expressway to a complete halt. And for at least 3 hours, traffic was halted because the entire stretch on which they were walking was occupied by the Congress workers. And that led to the police to come to the spot and reason out with the Gandhis that they cannot go ahead like this because the traffic has been halted and leading to a lot of inconvenience to the people.
All right, you know, Anand, just stay on with me. I'm coming right back. Anand, coming right back to you. I'm coming right back to you. I just want to take our viewers through the visuals that are just coming in now. These are visuals of the cavalcade which is escorting the Gandhis back, which we said, to the F1. The Formula 1 racetrack is there, to the guest house on the highway. These are visuals coming in. Those gentlemen that you see in the blue is actually security for the Gandhis. It's the security of the Gandhis, both of them there, but at the back you see the cops there. That's the Uttar Pradesh. That's the vehicle where both of them were literally made to sit. They did not want to go. They were literally forced to get into the vehicle in prevention detention even before the vehicle moved. And we're going to play those visuals out in a short while from now as well. Congress workers actually lay down before that vehicle, refusing to let the Gandhis be forcibly being evacuated from the Hathras highway. They are now being led to preventive custody, which is going to be at the F1, Formula 1 guest house, where they are being escorted as we speak. I want to cut across back to Anand Patel, who's joining us. You know, Anand, where exactly did this happen? Where exactly were they stopped, which ensued in a scuffle between the Congress workers and the police? Rahul Gandhi was pushed a couple of times. He also fell down. That aside, a lot of Congress workers are actually bleeding. They were hit by lathis. Where exactly did this take place?
On the spot, trying to remove the workers from the vehicle.
All right, we seem to have, we're going to try and build our connect with my colleague Anand Patel, but I just want to put those visuals out there. There are 3 big visuals of the day. And even though it's a shot of Rahul Gandhi falling down there, but if there is a political money shot of the day, this is it. Whether someone likes it or not, it is Rahul Gandhi falling down. Possibly in years, in decades, this is the first time we've seen a Gandhi take to the streets, be a part of the Congress workers, and in a clash right now, or maybe not a clash one can suggest, but with the UP police stopping them, and in that entire melee, in that entire fracas, falling down. Let's listen in to what Rahul Gandhi actually wanted. He spoke exclusively to India Today earlier on.
किस बेसिस पे आप मुझे गिरफ्तार कर रहे हैं, ये मुझे बता ददीजिए। किस धारा, एक सेकंड, किस धारा में आप मुझे अरेस्ट कर रहे हैं? नहीं, कौन सा लॉ वायलेट कर रहा हूँ, मुझे ये तो बता दो। अरे भाई, मैं आप मुझे अरेस्ट कर रहे हैं, आप मुझे बताइए किस धारा पे आप मुझे अरेस्ट कर रहे हैं? जो आप कहेंगे मैं करूंगा। मैं हाईवे से उतर के अकेला जाऊंगा, 144 उस पे नहीं लगता है, तो आप मुझे अकेले हाईवे के साइड पे चलने दीजिए। सर, इस एपिडेमिक में राहुल गांधी एपिडेमिक में अकेले चलने से कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, आप मुझे अकेले चलने दीजिए, प्यार से हो जाऊंगा। पॉसिबल ही नहीं है।
लाठी क्यों चला?
I want to connect right now to Ankit Tyagi. Our reporters, correspondents spread out, getting us a minute-to-minute update. Ankit is joining us right outside the Formula One guest house, where the Gandhis are being escorted in prevention custody as we speak. Ankit, what are you witnessing around you? All right, we're going to try. Okay. All right, we're going to try and get back to Ankit in just about 30 seconds, but let's quickly. The Gandhis are in preventive custody. They were lifted from the highway. Rahul Gandhi wanted to do it alone because Section 144 is in place. The others, in terms of the Congress workers, wanted to walk with him. However, the police cracked down on them while they were walking, which resulted in a huge fracas. A scuffle of sorts, one can say. Lathi charge was used, you can see there. And in that melee, Rahul Gandhi was also roughed up, pushed, and he actually fell. Those are the visuals on the right-hand side up, if you see on the television screen. On the left, the cavalcade right now headed to the F1 guest house on the expressway as well. Let's listen in to all the political reactions that are filtering in.
Yogi government has lost all sense of shame. Their arrogance knows no bounds. Mr. Yogi, we hope, we pray you ever had a daughter and a son, then you would have known the pain of the gang rape and the body being burnt in the middle of the night. Is this the way police treats people inhumanly? Can they push around? Can they maro dhakka to Shri Rahul Gandhi? How many people will they arrest? How many times will they do lathi charge? They think they can suppress? Are they protecting rapists? Or is this a government that is supposed to beat up the opposition leaders? This is a government that protects rapists, that protects offenders, sexual offenders, and beats up people who fight for their rights.
And we saw that the police had detained Rahul Gandhi for a while. He was surrounded by hundreds of cops. We saw them, both Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka, were huddled in the middle with cops all around.
Why are they suppressing the voice? What is Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi doing? They are walking peacefully on the side of the road. They want to walk 140 kilometers to Hathras. They want to go and share the pain and suffering of the Dalit Valmiki girl. Is that a crime in this country now? Rapists roam scot-free, and Yogi government continues to suppress the voice of opposition leaders.
देखिए, ये सरकार दमन की राजनीति कर रही है. अगर पैदल जाकर किसी का दुख दर्द बांटना गुनाह है, किसी की पीड़ा में उसका साथ देना गुनाह है, तो सरकार बताए ना कि जब लड़की तड़पती रही, इलाज के अभाव में दम तोड़ दिया, उस समय सरकार कहां सोई थी? किसके कार्रवाई में, किसके दबाव में उन लोगों को बचाने का प्रयास किया गया? आजादी राहुल गांधी जी पैदल यात्रा कर रहे थे, लाठीचार्ज किया गया, मारा गया. प्रियंका जी के ऊपर लाठीचार्ज, मेरे कार्यकर्ताओं का हाथ तोड़ दिया गया, तमाम लोगों को बुरी तरह मारा पीटा गया. दमन की राजनीति होगी, हम डरने वाले नहीं. मारो, लाठी चलाओ, जितना लाठी चलाना है हम सहेंगे और गांधीवादी तरीके से सड़कों पर आएंगे.
इधर से एक रोहित, हमारे साथ ज्वाइंट सीपी लैंड ऑर्डर लव कुमार जी, क्या इनको डिटेन कर लिया गया है?
देखिए, दैट्स व्हाट आई एम सेइंग कि वी आर ट्राइंग to stop him because there is a order from the district magistrate that considering the law and order situation nobody should be allowed to go to Hathras. उसी के क्रम में हम लोग उनसे अनुरोध कर रहे हैं वहां ना जाने के लिए.
तो वो कह रहे हैं कि हम सिर्फ 2 लोग जाना चाहते हैं, पीसफुली जाना चाहते हैं.
जो 2 और 4 और 5 की बात नहीं है. द ऑर्डर सेज दैट बिकॉज ऑफ लॉ एंड ऑर्डर कंडीशन नोबडी फ्रॉम द आउटसाइड शुड बी अलाउड टू एंटर द डिस्ट्रिक्ट.
कहाँ लेके जाएंगे?
अब पहले हम उनसे रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं कि वो ना जाए. अगर वापस ही चले आते हैं तो ज्यादा अच्छा है. बाकी अगर फिर देन विल लुक इनटू इट.
तो क्या करेंगे अगर वो कह रहे हम तो जाएंगे?
देखिए, मैं अब आगे जो भी सिचुएशन होगी मैं आपको बताऊंगा.
डिटेन कर लिया गया? आपके अधिकारी कह रहे हैं उनको डिटेन कर लिया गया.
अगर डिटेन कर लिया गया तो वी विल अरेस्ट देम, है ना. अभी पहले हम उनसे रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं कि वो ना जाए. ठीक.
Right. I'm going to take you now directly to the Formula One guest house where the Gandhis have been escorted. To take you through the chronology, the Gandhis were lifted forcibly from the highway where they've been taken in preventive custody to the Formula One guest house. Ankit Tyagi is joining us from the Formula One guest house. Ankit, what are you witnessing? Have the Gandhis been brought in? We could see their cavalcade reaching the F1 guest house.
Well, they were just brought in about 10 minutes back, Preeti, and this is, in fact, the most appropriate place that they could have, the police could have brought Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi in. We are walking towards the Formula One guest house from the main express highway. It has completely been blocked. Nobody is allowed to, in fact, go there. And it is about 2 kilometers from the place where the police has stopped everybody. So we are walking towards the Formula One guest house as we speak. There are certain Congress workers, those who are also on their way towards the guest house in support of Rahul Gandhi. But it's a long march where Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi have been kept. No vehicles are being allowed inside here. We are only trying to make our way as soon as possible to, in fact, get a sense of what is, in fact, going to happen there. We'll just turn around and show that building that you see there is, in fact, the
Ankit, I just want to come in. I just want to come in. The reason being that the cavalcade has pulled in. The Gandhis have reached the Formula One rest house. These are the live visuals that are filtering in right now. You can see the entire cavalcade pull in. They've been taken there in preventive custody is what we are getting to know. All of this after Rahul Gandhi was roughed up a little. He actually fell down in the melee where Congress workers were lathi charged, some of them bleeding. What we also know, a lot of Congress workers are now making their way towards this guest house. But as Ankit was pointing out, it's been completely barricaded. Our reporters also walking in there. However, these are visuals, live visuals that India Today has exclusively that are filtering in as we speak. The Gandhis being brought in. That's the security of the Gandhis. Those you see in the dark grey safari suits are the Gandhi security. Mind you, from SPG, the security was moved to the CRPF and both Priyanka and Rahul were guarded by them. There you can see Rahul Gandhi entering and Priyanka Gandhi, we're going to try and see where she is. But that is Rahul Gandhi and he's been taken into preventive custody alongside Priyanka, and that's Priyanka Gandhi. They will be kept here. There is no time frame as to how long they're going to be in preventive custody. However, what you did here is the police is trying to coerce them into turning around. However, last with what we had heard of Rahul Gandhi, he had made it very clear that no matter what the cost, he will make sure that he reaches Hathras. That's not happening anytime soon. And these are visuals coming in right now. Once again, what you see this cavalcade is the cavalcade of the Uttar Pradesh police escorting both the Gandhis, Priyanka Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi in preventive custody. And mind you, for both in preventive custody for the first time. It's the first time that's happened. Priyanka Gandhi has been detained twice before, but for Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi, this is the first time that both of them have been taken into preventive custody, possibly. And, you know, one really has to underline the fact, the first time we've seen a Gandhi in the middle of a lathi charge. You had Rahul Gandhi, who was roughed up, who was thrown to the ground, walking with, I beg your pardon, Congress workers, where the cops lathi charged them, barricaded them. So, you know, these are first visuals on many counts. Of course, the fact that these visuals are exclusive is separate, but first visuals on many counts. The Gandhis first time being taken, both Rahul and Priyanka for the first time being taken into custody. Preventive here, preventive custody there. You see Randeep Surjewala has also walked in with the Gandhis. And let's try and connect right now to Ankit Tyagi. Ankit, have you found yourself way to the F1 Formula One guest house?
All right, we are running towards it. As you can see behind me, that's the place where Rahul and Priyanka Gandhi have been, in fact, kept. What we have been told is that Rahul Gandhi was traveling in a separate vehicle. He is already inside.
Both are inside. Ankit, get yourself there. We're going to come right back to you. Both of them are inside. Priyanka Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi, both of them are inside. These are visuals that are coming in. You see that Rahul Gandhi entering, and right after him, Priyanka Gandhi enters with, of course, a posse of policemen around them. There's Randeep Surjewala there as well. We could see him in those visuals. Both of them are now have been taken into preventive custody. What happens from here on? How long will they be in preventive custody? Will they agree to turn around? Because the police is saying they're going to let them go if they decide to turn around and not pursue going to Hathras. There is Section 144 at play, and both the Gandhis were walking with Congress workers to Hathras. It was about 116-kilometer distance before where they would stop near the Jewar Toll Plaza, and from there on they decided to walk. However, a lot of Congress workers decided to walk with them, which was in violation of Section 144. The Uttar Pradesh police then cracked down on them on the highway. There was lathi charge. There was Rahul Gandhi, who was roughed up. He actually fell down. There are visuals of him actually falling down in the melee. And that is when the police came in, forcibly picked up both Rahul and Priyanka, put them in the car. Heavy drama played out then with the cadre of the Congress actually lying in front of the car that both the Gandhis were in, which again resulted in a round of lathi charge. A lot of them are hurt, and then the car was moved in express speed on the expressway to the Formula One guest house. Visuals of Priyanka Gandhi there that you can see on your television screen. She's sitting it out. Rahul Gandhi is also there along with Randeep Singh Surjewala. So what happens from here on remains to be seen. I want to connect right back to Ankit Tyagi, who's joining us right now, who's just walking and making his way. That's Randeep Surjewala. You see that man in the grey mask? That is Randeep Surjewala. A lot of strategizing the Congress pretty much needing to do, but one can easily say this is a day of firsts for the Gandhis. The first time that they've been taken into preventive custody. For the first time, we've seen the Gandhis in midst of a lathi charge on a political protest. Usually, we've never seen them a part of this. For the first time, we did see Rahul Gandhi get roughed up and actually falling to the ground in the chaos that ensued during the lathi charge. Connecting back to Ankit Tyagi, who's joining us right now outside the Formula One guest house. Ankit, can you see the presence of any other Congress workers there as you walk to it?
A lot of Congress workers have started coming here. You can also see the police presence right where we are at this moment. Just about 100 meters from where I'm standing is where Rahul and Priyanka Gandhi have been kept. There are, in fact, some policemen and some Congress workers, those who have been able to, in fact, walk from the main gate. I will show you on the other side as well. The other Congress workers and some police vehicles, in fact, also moving on the other side. We're just trying to make our way, Preeti, to where exactly both Rahul and Priyanka Gandhi have been kept in detention right now. But it is possibly the most appropriate place that the police could have found. This is a completely secluded place inside the Buddh International race Formula One race car circuit. And it is quite far. It's in fact more than 2 kilometers far from the gate where the police has completely stopped, vehicles to come in. It's only the police vehicles which are now coming in, and a lot of Congress workers just walking, trying to make their way to where Rahul and Priyanka Gandhi are. If you can see those vehicles, that's the police, vehicles. There we are trying to find out. We'll just be back. We'll just, try and find out exactly where.
Ankit, we'll come back to you. Yes. We'll come right back to you. You figure out exactly where they've been detained, but these are shots of their detention. So we do have the shots you can see on your television screen. A lot of Congress workers as well, a lot of them, some of them pretty much the core team of Rahul Gandhi as well. They've been taken now to the Formula One guest house. You saw Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi both enter it. These are exclusive visuals. What happens from here on, that's the big question. Will the Gandhis relent and turn back to Delhi, or will they stick to their demand that they go to Hasrat? Well, that's the Hathras, yes. That's the latest that is coming in right now. Is these are visuals of the Formula One guest house to give our viewers a bit of semblance of where this is. This is very close to the Jewar Toll. Jewar Toll is where both the Gandhis' cars was stopped. That is when, because Section 144 was at play, that is when both of them decided to walk to Hathras. Congress workers who were with them decided to walk alongside. After about half hour of walking, there was a crackdown by the Uttar Pradesh police as they were in violation in terms of numbers of Section 144. Lathi charge was used. There was a fair amount of chaos. Rahul Gandhi was pushed around. He even fell. All right, okay. With these visuals, I'm going to go into a quick break. When we return, we're going to get you the very